What are mass production principles in beer brewing? Imagine a time when beer was made in small batches, each one slightly different, based on the brewer's skill and local ingredients. Now picture a world where beer is produced on a massive scale, with every bottle tasting the same, no matter where it's made. That shift happened during the Industrial Revolution, transforming how beer was brewed forever. Mass production in beer brewing started when new machines and technology made it possible to produce large quantities quickly and efficiently. The steam engine, perfected in the year 1775, played a big role. It powered equipment like stirring machines and pumps, replacing manual labor and making brewing faster and more consistent. This meant breweries could make thousands of barrels instead of just a few. Temperature control became essential too. In the year 1760, brewers started using thermometers to measure how hot or cold their mash and fermentation tanks were. This helped them get consistent results every time. Later, in the year 1770, hydrometers were introduced. These tools let brewers measure the sugar content in the wort, helping them decide how much fermentable material they had. This discovery led to using mostly pale malt for all beers, which was more efficient and produced a more uniform product. Refrigeration technology, developed in the year 1871, allowed brewers to control fermentation temperatures precisely. This meant beer could be brewed all year round, regardless of the weather outside. It also helped create cleaner, crisper styles like lagers and pale ales. Standardization of brewing processes was another key principle. Breweries replaced wooden fermentation tanks with stainless steel ones, which were easier to clean and kept the beer safer from contamination. This move made sure each batch was similar in quality and flavor. During the 19th century, pasteurization and filtration became common. These processes removed unwanted bacteria and particles, making beer last longer and look clearer. Louis Pasteur's discovery of yeast's role in fermentation in the year 1861 helped brewers control the process better. They could now prevent souring and spoilage, ensuring the beer stayed fresh longer. Advances in malting techniques also played a part. The invention of the drum roaster in the year 1817 allowed brewers to create darker malts for porters and stouts, adding variety to beer styles. Improved killing methods made pale malts lighter and more consistent, leading to the rise of pale ales and lagers. Bottling innovations, like brown glass bottles that blocked ultraviolet rays, helped preserve beer quality during long-distance transport. This meant breweries could distribute their beer farther than ever before. All these principles worked together to turn beer brewing from a small craft into a large-scale industry. They made it possible to produce vast amounts of beer that was consistent in taste, quality, and appearance. This transformation was a direct result of technological advances during the Industrial Revolution, shaping the beer we enjoy today.